I had a mad craving for some Roohafza bubble tea, so I made some. And then you really wanted the recipe, so here it is. It's taken a lot of trial and error for me to figure out how to cook my own boba or tapioca pearls at home for bubble tea, but it's actually not that hard. You just need to make sure you do a few things. Make sure you boil the water first. Don't do what I did the first time and dump it into cold water. It turns into this massive congealed mess. Make sure you store it with the desiccant packets so the boba or the tapioca pearls don't get too humid. Keep them airtight to keep them fresh. And then when you're ready to cook them, you dump them into boiling water and let them go for a good 30 minutes. Give them a stir every so often. When they're nice and squishy, put a lid on it and then let it soak for another 20 minutes. And then you drain and rinse with cold water. And that's your boba, ready to go. Add a little bit of sugar or honey if you like a little bit of sweet boba. I find it's optional. I tend to skip it most of the time because my drink is pretty sweet. And then for Roohafza bubble tea, you just mix your Roohafza and your milk, as much or as little Roohafza as you like. I like to add chia seeds and I let that soak while I cook the boba. And there you go. That's East meets Far East Roohafza bubble tea. So fun fact, I did put these crushed rose petals on top because I thought it would look pretty. Yeah, they taste disgusting, and when you pick them out of your mouth when you're drinking the boba, it's not fun. So it's just for looks. I'd suggest maybe some whipped cream or turn it into faluda by adding some faluda noodles to it, but it's delicious. Let me know if you give it a try. Full recipes at rootstory.com. See ya.